Channel CAD Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to clean an AutoCAD file in the fastest way. So this file currently sizes of around 700 MB because it is a lot of drawings in a single file. So this is a single trick that can save at least of 100 MB of your AutoCAD file. So all you have to do is write the command purge. The shortcut is PU and just enter. And after that, all you have to do is just press enter. After that, this dialog box will be shown. In that you have to keep your all items selected, confirm each item to be purge nested item. So what does purge nested item actually mean is that the things that are in a block also gets cleaned. So all the lines, all the materials, or the multi-layered styles, shapes, text, visual styles, groups, layers, anything that has no use with your file or no use with your drawing will be purged. All you have to do is just do this and just press enter. Keep just pressing enter and your purge checked items. So everything has been purged. You just have to press the A button and all your item will be purged. Everything has been cleaned. The AutoCAD will take a few seconds to do that. You just have to press A, just that.